What's up, you guys? I'm back with another video today, and today I will be doing my foundation routine. I got a couple requests, including my mom, but to do my foundation routine, and I just got a new foundation, the Diorskin Forever Foundation, and so I was really excited to try it out because I've heard great things about it, and I did get a request to do my foundation routine, so I figured what better time to do it than now. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. I didn't do anything really about my eyes or my eyebrows or anything like that, but if that's something you guys want to see, this nice pretty gold look, let me know down below. I will record that for you guys. And yeah, I think we're just gonna jump right into the video. If you have any questions or anything like that, always make sure that you're leaving them down below because I am always checking my comments and answering you guys. So thanks so much for the love and support, and let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, so since we're just focusing on the foundation routine today, I already have my eyebrows and eyeshadow done. So this is going to be like a 2-in-1. I'm going to be showing you my foundation routine, and I'm going to be testing out a new foundation. So I figured what better time to do it than now. So yeah, so today the foundation I'm going to be testing is the Diorskin Forever Foundation. It looks like this. I am in shade 014. This is the lightest shade they carry, and I feel like it's still a little bit darker than me, so we'll see how that works. But I've heard really good things about this foundation. It won the Allure Best of Beauty 2017 award. I hear it makes your skin basically look like your skin but better, so that's what we're really hoping for today, for it to just go on very smoothly. So I'm gonna read you guys what the box says. The box says, Dior creates perfect makeup everlasting wear. Diorskin Forever. Its fluid, non-greasy texture perfectly blends with the skin for an immediate matte finish with no mask effect. Throughout the day, it provides optimal comfort and flawless wear. Day after day, the skin's texture appears refined and its surface beautifully enhanced. So I should mention that I have really dry skin. I have a tiny bit of oiliness in my T-zone, but other than that, I have pretty much dry skin. So if you have dry skin also, this foundation might work for you. It says it has SPF 35, just letting you guys know that as well, just in case you don't like sunscreens in your foundation. I don't really mind it. So yeah, usually I use the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Full Coverage Foundation. I like full coverage foundations because I obviously have blemishes and things like that. I like this foundation a lot. It sets really nice. It gives my skin just a really nice smooth finish, and I don't find that it creases. It doesn't have any places where it gives me dry spots or anything like that, so I really like that foundation, and it's also the best matching foundation I've had so far personally. There's literally like no difference between my face and neck when I put it on, and every girl's dream is that. So but I am going to be traveling soon, and it is kind of messy. So as you can see, the applicator is a dropper, which makes things a bit messier than just like a pump. So I kind of wanted something easier for travel, and also, like I said, I heard that this foundation is literally every girl's dream, so had to try it out myself. So first off, I'm going to be starting with my moisturizer. I use the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. This is the travel size. They have a bigger size. I think it's like $20, $25, something like that. I wasn't sure how it was going to apply and work out, so I just got the travel size, which is $11. It looks like this, and it smells so good, just so fresh. It just smells like almost like soap. It just smells really clean. And the number one thing that I like about this moisturizer is it really just soaks into my skin. I hate more than anything when moisturizers just rub around like sunscreen almost and don't absorb into the skin. Like you can see, it just soaks right in.
It's too hard to sleep. I got the sheets on the floor, nothing on me, and I can't take it no more. It's 100 degrees.
So I've been really enjoying that moisturizer. So yeah, I've tried a few different moisturizers. Haven't found any that I super love the way I really like the Olay one, so I think I'm going to stick with that one for a little while until I find something better. But yeah, if you guys need any really hydrating moisturizers, I've really been liking that one. So next I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This is a silicone primer. It's oil-free and is not greasy. And I usually just put this in my T-zone to fill my pores. And to control any oiliness if I happen to have any. This primer will really just mattify wherever you apply it to. So you want to make sure that you don't apply this foundation or this primer all over your face unless you are really oily and want a really matte face, because it can dry you out very quickly. It's really important that you dampen your beauty blender with hot water. You want to make sure that you get it wet before you use it. That way it actually soaks up the product that you're putting on your face, so you can avoid cakey buildup. Okay, now that my beauty blender is all wet, I'm just going to take a couple pumps of the Diorskin Forever Foundation and put that onto. You want to make sure that you really press it into your skin. So don't swipe, even though I know that is like hardest habit ever, but make sure that you're really just working it and dabbing it into your skin. So that's what I'm going to do now. Just gonna take 2 pumps.
I got one foot out the door. Where are my keys? 'Cause I gotta leave, yeah. In the back of the cab, I took the drive ahead of time. Get me the fast. I got your body on my mind. I want it bad. Ooh, just the thought of you.
And you also want to make sure that you're always bringing your foundation down to your neck and then blending that out. Yeah, this is the foundation on half of the face. I really like it so far. I think it makes me look really glowy. Let's get the rest of the face done and see how it works.
I feel the sun creeping up like tick-tock. I'm trying to keep you in my head, but if not, we'll just keep running from tomorrow with our lips locked. Yeah, you got me begging, begging, baby, please don't.
You do have to kind of build it up a little bit. It says full coverage foundation, but I would definitely call it more medium, and then you can build it to full if you need to. But that's not a super big problem for me. Just letting you guys know in case that is a deciding factor for you. So I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Neutral. And I'm just going to hit my highlight areas and blend that out with a beauty blender again.
Bitches of a rider.
So next I'm going to set my face, and on my damp beauty blender again I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. It's just a translucent setting powder. I really like this one. I feel like I barely have to put it on my face and it sets so well. My makeup does not move. It's honestly the best setting powder I've used so far. Nothing compares for me, so if you guys haven't found a setting powder that you absolutely love yet, I would definitely look into this one. So I'm just going to really bake under my eyes and the places that I put my highlight, and then lightly set the rest of my foundation.
I don't know if you feel the way I do. If you leave, I'm gonna find you, baby. Please don't go, 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 go. Baby, please don't go, 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 go. Baby, please don't go, go, go.
To dust it all off, I'm going to take my tapered blending brush from Sigma. This is F25, and I'm going to take my Cover FX translucent setting powder and just swirl it in there and dust off.
My lover's got humor. She's the giggle at a funeral. Knows everybody's disapproval. I should've worshipped her sooner. If the
Next I'm just going to go in and contour with my Kat Von D Shade Light palette, and I always use the middle shade right here, and I'm going to take that on an angled contour brush and just you want to hit from the top of your ear to the corner of your mouth, but stop somewhere along the arch of your brow. So go from here to about there.
The heavens ever did speak. She's the last true mouthpiece. Every Sunday's getting more bleak. A fresh poison each week. We were born sick, you heard them say it. My church offers.
And then I just take a little small contour brush, like this, a little dense one, and just in little circles blend upward.
No absolutes. She tells me worship in the bedroom. The only heaven I'll be sent to is when I'm alone with you. I was born sick, but I love it. Command me to.
I'm also going to contour my forehead and my temples.
These streets remember your face. Will these bricks still carry the weight? Dreams of your father are fading away. Dreams of your mother.
Next, I'm going to go back in with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm just going to carve out my cheekbones a little bit more.
There's been slaving away. For the weathered souls of the storms not forgotten. The beating hearts on the north shore of Boston. Grow up, go on, but don't be forgotten.
Now I'm going to go in with my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. This is what it looks like. I think it gives me a really healthy look to the face. It makes me look just more alive.
Grow up, go on, grow up, go on.
And you just want to apply this to the apples of your cheeks and then sweep back towards your face.
For the weathered souls of the storms not forgotten. Left your hearts on the north shore of Boston. Grow up, go on, but don't be forgotten. Grow up, go on.
Last for the face, I'm going to go in with my Morphe M501 highlighting brush. It's like, it looks like this. It's just a tapered little brush, so you can really precisely hit those cheekbones. And I'm going to be taking my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. Looks like this. And I'm just gonna hit the cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and the bridge of my nose.
I won't change my life, my life's just fine, 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 ooh, fine, 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 ooh, just fine, 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 ooh. See, I won't change my life.
Alright you guys, so now that I'm finished with all that, I'm gonna go off camera and finish up my lashes, my wing, and my lower eyeshadow on my lash line, and I will be right back. Alright you guys, so we are all finished. I'm gonna go in lastly with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea setting spray and just spray from a distance all over my face.
Believe in you, believe in.
So basically, so far, I'm really liking the foundation. It gives me a really airbrushed finish. It makes me just look really healthy and glowy, and I'm actually really loving it. So the foundation is a thumbs up so far. Again, I'm gonna have to try it out a couple more times just to make sure. I really, really like it. But there's just a couple things I wanted to mention. Also, if anyone is wondering, I use the Maybelline New York Eye Studio eyeliner gel. Just the black eyeliner gel for my wings. And then for my lashes today, I am wearing the Huda Beauty Samantha No. 7 lashes, and they are so fluffy and beautiful. I love them. But yeah, basically that's everything. I got a couple of requests to do my foundation routine, and I just got this new foundation, so I figured what better time to do it than now. And I really like how it turned out. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I got this gold eye look, let me know that as well. I really like how the foundation turned out. I feel like all the products I used as a whole really are what make my foundation just look so natural and good on my skin. It's been a lot of trial and tribulation when it comes to foundation and powders for me, but I finally found some things that work for me. So maybe some of these suggestions or techniques will help you guys out in how you apply your foundation to get a more natural finish. And yeah, if you guys want to see any other videos, please keep requesting. Let me know what you guys want to see. Whatever it may be. It can be my brush collection, my makeup collection, my eyeshadow collection specifically because I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. Also, if you guys want to see a brush collection video, I can talk about the brush sets that I have and their functions and what I personally use them for, because there is no right or wrong way to use brushes, to be honest. It's just however you get used to them. So let me know if you guys want to see that. I also am thinking about filming a question and answer video, some questions about me so you guys can get to know me a little bit better. If that's something you guys want to see, let me know. I will be back with another video in just a few short days, so let me know if you guys want to see another makeup related video or something more personal or whatever it is. Just leave me a suggestion in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being subscribed, for liking my videos. If you guys want to show some more support, go ahead and like and subscribe. That would make my day. I appreciate all the support and love. You guys are seriously the best, and I barely have any viewers, but the viewers I do have, you guys freaking rock. I love you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
I appreciate that. I'm so glad that it's mine. So
I'm a member of a good time crowd.
Pick up a check in the plate. Credit ticket made you upset. Credit got rich, they upset. Know you know better. Know you grew better than you do. Call me looking for you.
Yeah, why you always say and go and get you some? Girl, why you always tripping when you know it's love?
Never think so. Alright, in it big. Roll on my way.
Can we just talk about my lip gloss for a second? What?